Welcome to Fireplace Doors Online, your one-stop shop for all things fireplace. Today we're going to share with you some of our best-selling doors at winning prices, such as the Finley. The Finley Masonry Glass Fireplace Door offers a sleek, minimalist upgrade for your masonry fireplace, perfect for modern homes that value clean lines and functionality. Traditional with a minimalist touch, featuring clean lines and a flat black powder coat finish. Cabinet-style twin doors with 180 full-swing opening for unobstructed views. 3/16 smoke-tempered safety glass for enhanced safety and durability. Made from 16-gauge steel, providing robust construction with a frame that is 1 3/4 inches wide and 1 inch deep. The hidden damper helps control airflow and reduces heat loss by up to 90%. Premium, easy grip handles make door operations smooth and comfortable. Removable mesh panels with magnetic catches provide added protection. Comes with a 2-inch riser bar, not installed, offering additional safety by covering gaps to prevent sparks from escaping. Comes fully assembled with mounting hardware included. This fireplace door is designed with cabinet-style twin doors that open 180 degrees for a full view of the fire, making it not only functional but also visually appealing. The doors feature 3/16-inch smoke-tempered safety glass, providing both style and safety, while the hidden damper control allows you to reduce heat loss by up to 90%. The Finley Masonry Fireplace Door also comes with removable mesh panel doors, adding an extra layer of protection by preventing sparks and embers from escaping the fireplace. If you have some questions about the Finley or any one of our products, comment below and we'll give you the info. Stay tuned to our channel for more fireplace solutions here at Fireplace Doors Online. Don't forget to like and subscribe.